Today we are making a delicious protein cheesecake. The good thing about this cheesecake, we're using cottage cheese, and cottage cheese is light in calories and it has protein. What we need to do, we have to leave the cheese and the eggs outside the refrigerator for a half hour. We want the cheese and the eggs to be in room temperature. Then we take a bowl. The first thing we do, we put 2 cups of cottage cheese, 1 cup of cream cheese, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, half a cup of maple syrup. Then we take the hand blender and we blend everything to be nice and smooth. We move the cheesecake from the bowl to a baking tray. Take a baking tray, put boiling water, and we put the cheesecake top of the boiling water. We preheated the oven to 350. Then we bake the cheesecake for 1 hour. Be careful when you take out the cheesecake from the oven because you have the water. Leave the cheesecake to cool down for a few hours. I usually wrap it with plastic and put it in a refrigerator, and I have it the next day. This cheesecake is out of this world. At least a half of the calories of a regular cheesecake, and it has protein. Remember, how we eat is how we feel. I do enjoy taking a regular recipe and make it healthier. If you have a recipe you would like me to make it healthier, please send me an email.